What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen dimming issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on display and brightness. Now first of all switch to light mode. And after switching to light mode, here you will see a automatic brightness button. So if you have enabled automatic brightness, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after customizing these settings, the screen dimming issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then open settings again. Now scroll down and here click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone is updated to the latest software version or not. So if your mobile software is not up to date, then update your mobile software. But if your mobile software is updated and you're still having the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like screen dimming issue. So that's how you can fix the screen dimming issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.